Morning children. I hope all are fine and safe at home. Today revision of chapter 1, number and numeration. Numbers. First, natural number. Natural number is started for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Whole number is started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So whole number, 0 and natural number. The smallest natural number is 1 and the smallest whole number is 0. Now I discuss place value system. And the place value system, two systems, Indian system and the international system. We use in India an Indian place value system. Most of the countries is using international place value system. So now first Indian place value system. Here are period and place, which is called the periods. Now ones, thousand, lakhs and crore is called the periods. Places, and the ones, tens, hundred, thousand place, thousand, 10,000 and the period lakh and 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. You read the numbers every time right to left. And showing on period, you write the periods. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay, now this number is given. Write the Indian system. These number represent by Indian system, so use comma and write the separate periods. So ones, tens, hundred, this is called the ones. Now 1,000, 10,000 is 1,000 period. Now this lakh, 10 lakh is the lakh period and this is crore. So writing in the system form, Indian system form, so then again write the same number 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. So put commas, ones, tens, hundred, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma. So first 3 digit is showing for ones digit, ones period, and the second 1,000 and the 10,000 for the second period, and lakh and 10 lakh and crore and 10 crore. It means this is 3 digit, this is 2 digit, again 2 digit and again 2 digit. And put commas. First 3 digit after comma, and next 2 digit after comma, next 2 digit after comma. Now reading form. Ones, tens, hundred, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So 1 crore, 23 lakh, 45,689. Example 126805463. Write in Indian place value system, period and the word form. Now first make table ones, thousand, lakh and crore. Now here 1, 2, 6, 8, 0, 5, 4, 6, 3. Ones value, ones, tens, hundred, 3, 4, 6, 4. Ones value 1,000, 0, 5 and lakh, 6, 8 and 12. These are called the period and this is called the places. Now put the commas between these numbers. It means you represent the separate periods. Started for every time right to left. Ones, tens, hundred, complete, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, crore and 10 crore. Now the word form, 12 crore, 68 lakh, 5463. So first 463, this is ones place. Now second 5000, this is second place. Now 8 lakh 30 and 12 crore. So these first 3 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit. So writing in the Indian system form, first 3 digit after comma, thousands 2 digit after comma, after 2 digit comma, and after 2 digit comma. So first 3 digit after 2 digit and write comma. This is Indian system form. Now international system. Period, ones, thousand, millions and billions. International system make 3 pair. It means 100 pair. One stands 100, one pair complete. Now second 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Second pair complete. Now third million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. So right number in the international form make 3 pair. One stands 100. Indian system and international system, both the systems are same. Which ones? Period. One stands 100. Here one stands 100. Indian system after 2 digit, it means with 10 stands pair. But international system 100 pair. One stands 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. So this 3 digit, 3 digit, 3 digit and 3 digit. Now same example. 1 2 6 8 0 5 4 6 3. Write in the international system, period and the word form. So same example. First make table. Write periods, ones, thousand, then million. Ones, tens, 100, 3, 6, 4. 508, 508. 6 to 1. Now this is called period and this is place. So ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Now period. We use commas for the showing for separate period. For a similar number 1, 2, 6, 8, 0, 5, 4, 6, 3. Put commas. 1 stands 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, million, 10 million, 100 million. Now in word form. In word, 126 million. 126 million. Now write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. In the word form, 126 million so first 100 826,800,5,000 463. This is word form. So same number in the Indian system form and the international system form. First make table, write period and the places. After date write the periods with commas. Ones, tens, hundred after comma, 1,000, 10,000 after comma, million, 10 million and 100 million. And the reading form. So those who are problem for reading, write the place values. After date read 126 million, 805,000, 805,463. Question number 1. Write in numeral form. Write in numeral form. Now first 6 crore, 6 lakh, 6,006. This is word form is given. Write numeral form. So first write place value. Ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, crore, 10 crore. Okay. Now 6 crore, 6 lakh. 6 crore. So crore place value is 6. 6 crore. 6 lakh. It means 10 and 0. 6 lakh. 6,000. 1,000 place value 6. So 10,000 0. And 6,006. So 100 place value is 0. 10 place value is 0 and 6. 6 crore. 6 lakh. 6,006. First write place value. In the Indian system form, 1, 10, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, crore and 10 crore. Now read again. 6 crore, 6 lakh, place value 6 is 6 lakh, means 10 lakh place value 0. 6,000, 1,000 place value 6, so 10,000 0 and 6. 6 is 1's place value, so 100 and a 10's place value is 0. 6 crore, 6 lakh, 6,000, 6. Now next 99 million. 99 million. This is international form. So make 100 pair. Write first place value, ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, million, 10 million. Because here are 99 million. So 99 million. Other place value 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So 99 million. Now question number 2. Write the place value of the digit 5 and 7 each. 5 and 7 each. Here are this number is given. Find the place value of the digit 5 and 7. Now first check first 3 digit after comma after 2 digits. It means this is Indian system form. So first write place value ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 9,000, lakh, 10 lakh and the crore. In the question write the place value of the digit 5 and 7. Now answer. Place value of 5 equal to 5 crore. 5 crore. Now write the number form equal to 5 after 2 0. Left right again 2 0 and 0 0 0. So this is 5 crore. Place value of 7. So check, place value of 7 is 7,000. Place value of 7 equal to 7,000. Both forms correct. And the numeral form 7,000 is 7 after 7,000. Now another one example. Here I given the number. First check where is comma. First 3 digit after comma, after 2 digit comma. It means this is Indian system form. So write again the first place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. After that, check the place value of 5 and 7. So place value of 5, ones, tens. So here write place value of 5 is 50 equal to 5 tens. 5 tens. Both form is correct. Place value of 5 is 50. Second is 5 tens. Now place value of 7. Place value of 7. So place value of 7 is 70 lakh. It is 70 lakh. So here 70 lakh and the number form 70 after write all this is 0. So now here are write the place value of the digit. Any digits are given, find the place value. So first check which form is given, Indian and the international form. Write the place values and check the number, what is the place value of 5 and 7. So place value of 5 is 5 crore and this is the numeral form and this is the word form. Both the form you write, both are correct. Now just I explain successor and predecessor. Successor. Successor means after number and predecessor means before number. Successor means any given number 8, 1 is called a successor. It means after number, and the predecessor given number minus 1. It means before number is called a predecessor. An example, here are 42,63,587. Find successor. So successor given number plus 1. So here are given number plus 1. So 7 plus 1, 8. Now left of the number as it is. So 42,63,588. This is the predecessor of this number. It means after number. Now this is successor of this number. To find the predecessor of this number, 42,63,587. It means before number. So 42,63,586. It means you do subtract minus 1. So 1's value 7 minus 1, 6. Left of the number as it is, then 42,63,586. So now here are the given number. Now successor of that number, it means the after number, and find the predecessor of that number, it means before number, any given number. One more example. Okay. 6,230. Write the successor and predecessor. You know, successor means after number, predecessor means before number. So now directly write the successor of 6230 is 6231. It means just after number, and predecessor of 6230 is, it means before number 6,229. So 6,229. and this is the 6231. Question number 4. Write greatest and smallest possible number using given digit. Do not repeat any digit. Again, write greatest and smallest possible number using given digit. It means do not repeat any digit. Without repetition, write the greatest number and the smallest number. So now write the greatest number, check all the digits and write the descending order. It means greatest to smallest number. Greatest to smallest. Now you check which is the greatest number. First 9, after 8, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0. Greatest number, all the digits check. Do not repeat any digit and write descending order, greatest to smallest. After that, count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the digits are there. Now after that, put comma, write the Indian form, instance 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh and 2. Now this is the greatest number is complete. Same digit use and write smallest number. So arrange all the digits for ascending order. Means smallest to biggest. Don't write 0. First write 1, after that write 0. 1, 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9. Arrange all the digits in ascending order. Write the 0. Repeat 1, 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8 and 9. And put commas for the Indian system. Instance 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh and 2. So, any digits are given. Write the greatest number and the smallest number. Greatest number, all the digits write in descending order, and the smallest number write all the digits for ascending